Sit down comfortably and take a few slow, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms, gently close your eyes and bring your attention to the sensations in your body. The contact between body and chair, the weight of your body, and the sensations from head to toe. And allowing your body to breathe naturally and easily, not trying to breathe, not holding on to your breath. Bring your attention to the breath, maintaining your awareness on the movements of the body, the rising of the abdomen with each in-breath, and the relaxing, the falling of the abdomen with each out-breath. Just experience that. As you relax a bit more, recollect why you want to stop acting on this impulse, on this craving. You decided to quit this habit because you know that this habit is hurting you, hurting your body and mind. But right now, a part of your mind is trying to push you into temptation by saying, it's okay just this one time. It may be reminding you of the pleasure you feel when you give in to your temptations. It's making you forget about the pain, the harm, the damage caused by the habit. So connect now with the reality of what you can be if you stop this habit. Remember that you'll be healthier and stronger. Remind yourself that you don't need this, that you are strong and peaceful. You may have given in to the cravings before, but you have the capacity to wait, to let the craving come, to let it be, and to watch it go. If you're still feeling that craving, that desire, don't fight it. Go deeper now and notice it. Experience it. You don't have to act on it. Just notice. What does it feel like in your mind and your body? These feelings and thoughts are like passing clouds. Let them be, notice them, and they will go away. You are the clear blue sky. So keep observing and noticing your thoughts, your feelings, your breath. Noticing a greater relaxation as the craving leaves you. And slowly and gently open your eyes.